So what you need to understand is that everything in the United Kingdom is all about health care.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. You gotta love the view of this place. Come on, let me show you. So if you like that view, do want to give the video a thumbs up. So this is going to be a very quick and a short informative video. How do you get a job quickly in the UK? Or how do you get a part-time job quickly in the UK as a student? So the first thing after arriving in the UK is that you want to get a part-time job right here as a student. So the mistake a lot of people do is this. So maybe they came in for mechanical engineering, cyber security, public administration, name them. So what they normally do is they want to go and look for a part-time job in that field. No, that is not gonna work for you, okay? Fine, we know everybody wants to be in their field. Everybody wants to work in their field. Even myself, when I came in here as a cybersecurity student, I was looking for IT-related job. But come on, I spent all those weeks and months looking for a part-time job in a wrong field. Fine, it's my area, it's something I would love to do, but as a student, the chances of getting a part-time job in those areas are quite slim. So what you need to understand is that everything in the United Kingdom is all about health care, and that is where you get most of the part-time work as a student. I'm not saying there are no jobs in other areas, don't quote me wrong. What I'm saying is that this is where you can easily get something in just a matter of weeks. So all you need to do first is to register with all these agencies. Yeah, there are healthcare agencies. In the northeast of England, here we have like a primary care, Pinpoint, Comfort Call. There are a lot of them. So first thing first is to register with them. Yeah, the training are normally 3 to 4 days. The moment you complete this training, you start getting shift right away. So whichever region you may find yourself in the UK, you just need to do a little research and find out where most of these agencies are located in your area. Yeah, the truth of the matter is that these are jobs that you may not really want to do, but you don't have any option, you just have to do it. And this is very important. Don't just register with one agency and you find yourself and believe that you have gotten a job. No, you have to register with 2 or 3. If you can register with 2 agencies, that is okay for you. If this one does not have a shift for you, maybe this other one will have. So you will always be working around the clock. So you should understand what the United Kingdom is all about. So you don't go to the river to collect gold or diamond, but rather fish. You should take this into consideration. So after you must have finished this training and probably gotten a job, you can now think of getting something in your field or in your area of study. Yeah, so that is all I have for you guys today. Do what to like, share, comment and subscribe. Send this out to everyone and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Peace out. So you don't go to the river to collect gold or fish, but